Today we're going to be programming keys and fobs for my 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited. I ran over this key right here with a lawnmower and bent it up really good. I don't know if you can see it, but it got chewed up a little bit and bent up. Now it still works in the ignition, but I'm worried about how long it's going to work because it's a little tight in there. So you need two good keys from your Jeep Grand Cherokee, your two original keys, to program extra keys. There's another way to do it through the dealership, which is very expensive. All this stuff is very expensive through the dealership. So what we need is 4 of these CR 2016 batteries, and we need, that's for 2 fobs. They both got to be replaced because neither one of them, the original's not working. I ordered one on the internet. If you just do a search, Google search for Keyfobs for 2004, I think 99 through 2004 are the same year, same generation, and they'll work. And you just do Google searches on all this stuff. I also got this Doorman device. It's a Doorman 13778, and it plugs into the port right underneath your ignition, and that'll help you program your key fobs. And it's really easy. This whole process is really easy. So we're gonna get started. All you need is the 4 batteries, a screwdriver to get into your key fobs, and you need the Doorman 13778 device, and I got my 2 new keys and my 2 original keys. Now we've moved up to the front of the car, and we're gonna first program our keys. All right, we got 2 original keys and 2 brand new keys that we had cut at our local Ace Hardware store. This is one of the original keys. Okay, but this is the one that's all bent up and boogered up. We're going to put it in first, because after you pull this one out, you have 15 seconds to put the other one in and get the ignition to turn. This one's going to take a while to get it to turn because the key is all boogered up. There we go. You're going to leave it in there for 5 seconds, a little over 5 seconds, then you're going to shut it off, and pull it out, and stick the second one in for 10 seconds. And a security light's going to come on your dashboard, and you'll hear a chime. There you go. Within 60 seconds, turn the key off, second key off, and remove it. And insert your other new key. Turn it on. After 10 seconds, the chime will sound and the dashboard security light will stop. And from there, you just start it up. After 10 seconds, there you go. No lights come on, you clear it, and then you're good to go on your keys. Now we're going to program our key fob. I ordered on eBay this Doorman 13778. It's this device right here that plugs into the port under your dashboard on the driver's side. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to plug this in, and then we're going to program the key fob. Port is located right down here. You're going to hear 3 beeps. Alright. Then you're going to wait to hear another beep, and that might take a little while, like a minute or so. And we're going to take this key and we're going to stick it in the ignition, and we're going to turn it to the on position. All right, then we are going to push the lock and unlock buttons at the same time for 3 seconds. Then, after that's done, we're going to push the unlock button for 2 seconds. Okay, so there's your beep. I'm going to take the key, stick it in the ignition, and then we're going to turn it to the on position. Push both these buttons for 3 seconds. 3. Then we're going to push the unlock for 2 seconds. And there you go. Unlock, lock. Unlock, lock. And that's all you have to do. Hey, Bo, you approve?